In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use iCloud Calendar. We'll walk through what it does, how to access it on the web, how to add events, and how to share with others so everyone stays on the same page. First, a quick overview. iCloud Calendar stores your events in the cloud, so your schedule is always in sync across your iPhone, iPad, Mac, and more. As long as you're signed in with the same Apple ID, any change you make, adding an appointment, adjusting a time, or deleting an event, updates automatically everywhere. You can also share entire calendars or single events with other people, making it simple to plan with family, friends, or coworkers. If you're using a computer or a non-Apple device, you can still access everything through a browser. Go to iCloud.com/calendar and sign in with your Apple ID. You'll see your calendars and events just like you would on an Apple device. This is especially handy when you're away from your primary device or using a shared computer. The interface is straightforward. Your calendars are listed on the side, and the main area shows your days, weeks, or months. Anything you create or change here syncs to your other devices almost instantly. Now, let's add a new event. Open the Calendar app on your Apple device, or stay on iCloud.com Calendar. Look for the plus button or the new event option and select it. Start with a clear, descriptive title so you can recognize it at a glance. Set the date and time to place the event precisely where it belongs. You can add a location to provide context, include notes for details like an agenda or meeting links, and set an alert if you want a reminder before it starts. Pick a reminder time that gives you enough runway to prepare. When everything looks right, save the event. Within moments, it will appear on all your devices signed in to the same Apple ID, so you're always looking at the same, up-to-date schedule. Sharing is where iCloud Calendar really shines. You can invite people to view or edit a calendar or a specific event. In the Calendar app or on iCloud.com, select the calendar you want to share, then choose the Share or Invite option. Enter the recipient's email address and decide whether they should have View-Only access or Edit permissions. View-Only works well when you're simply keeping others informed, while Edit is great for true collaboration. Once shared, updates show up in real time for everyone. And that's it. Access iCloud Calendar anywhere, add events with the details you need, and share when you want to coordinate.